Oh, hi guys, and welcome back to our home cooking. We're making right now the very trending Dalgona coffee. So all you have to do is spoon of coffee and plus sugar. And then you need to have your whisk. So you can put some timer here to start to whisking your coffee. Right, so start 10 minutes to whisk it. Okay? So start now. You can use powder coffee or granulated coffee. So this is what will happen. Whisk it until 10 minutes, okay? Okay guys, we're almost there. Don't give up, okay? Just 2 minutes to go. And I already prepared here my toppings. The Oreo, Crunch Oreo, in 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Timer is done. Oh, I forgot earlier to say that you need to use this also. Fresh milk. If you don't have a fresh milk, you can use any kind of form of milk, even the powder milk. Okay? So now, wow. Look at this textured coffee. See? Okay, start. Okay guys, so we have here our empty glass. Any kind of glass will do. This is our Dalgona coffee presenting from the land of coffee. Wow. Let's try it now. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god, I need to make this again.